guys, welcome back to my little stories. Puno eta nutun video loi apnalokok swagatam janaisu. So today's vlog is all about MEESHO haul and moi apnalokor babe cute kisuman bag anisu under 500 rupees. Polong nakori video to start koro bolo. Firstly, we start with mini sling bag, which is purple in color with one golden chain, which is so tiny or both varieties of color as yet, but is made up of silicone with some beautiful stonework. Yet coins, clutch, lipstick, both easily carry without any fall. Moi kinisilu 355 rupees, but itya dekisu 322 hoi goise. Next whole ZUBY cloudy bag. Looks too cloudy hoy baru, but color is so clean. There's lot more varieties of color. Quality is perfectly awesome, and yet yate mention ase ki traveling and walking or karni you can carry this, but I simply do not recommend this bag for traveling and walking. But yate apunalake parties, short time or karni you can carry this. And best part is the golden chain, which is so fashionable. Apunak fashionable look at dibo without any effort. Chain handler logot tate ako sling bag. Kune bhal napabo baru. This one is from Carrylux Cross print bag, which comes with two varieties of color. One is light pink and next is white. Kedao bhabisene lime yellows color lobole, which can give you so beautiful look, then this one is for you. Perfect quality purse, perfect beautiful color. I brought this at 406 rupees, but you can try because price to drop is rupees 358 rupees now. Who loves floral like me? Then this one is for you. VOAKA floral in black, but yar tinta aru more varieties ase. It is perfectly strong hoy and it's very beautiful in color. This one is from BAZAR sling bag, which fits without any effort. Quality, if you ask me, is from leather, and yes, it's perfectly clean look. It gives you very elegant look. Aru jodi moi kau itia moi salu yar bag to out of stock hoi goise. Mane bahute loise. If you want to buy, please wait for some days. And yes, all the details were mentioned in the description. Do check out. Wait. Ko je apnalake video to khatam hua na itialake. So enjoy. ভাল পালে যদি do like, share and subscribe. পুনৰ এটা নতুন ভিডিঅ লৈ আহিম আকৌ মই. Till then, bye bye.